Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a smashing crafty weekend. I'm working this weekend, so not fun playing from me, but hey ho. In today's video I'm going to share a fabulous freebie. I hope you guys like it. It's been designed specifically for you guys. Okay guys, happy Friday. So I've been to the gym this morning. I had coffee, I had lunch with Jamie because he's off too. He's going to see his parents now, so I got the afternoon for myself. It don't happen very often then I film, edit and post the video on the same day, but I've actually been really busy with work. But I have a few days off, so and I got my big jug of tea with me because it's absolutely freezing in Sheffield. I had to put the heating on because it's very cold. So I got the afternoon to craft along. Right, so before I show you today's freebie, today we're gonna play with this kit. Is called I Love New York, and you will see in just a minute why. But before I show you the kit, let me just navigate you through my new collections on the website, because this kit is part of my minis. So the minis are small kits, which is 4 pages for the super cheap price of £1.50. So very cheap, very affordable for everybody to, you know, craft along. So I'll show you on the website and I'll be right back here on the desk. Okay guys, so www.antoniomakers.com, that is the homepage on my website. So on here you got my collections. So you got From the Vintage Attic. So if you click in there, you see all the kits. In the vintage cookbook, I'm going to share, this is a new one, it's called Coffee O'Clock. Really love this kit. I'm going to share it with you guys in the next coming weeks. Mother Nature, that's my favorite. It's got the gold bee. So you see all the kits in there. Then you got the sweets, which are large kits. You got the Treasure Memories, the Precious Photos, Sweet Daisy, Vintage Flora, Imperial Indigo, I Love You, A Midsummer's Day's Dream, and the Shabby Romance. So these kits are massive, are huge, hence why their price point. So you got loads of different kits, mini kits into one big kit. And then you got your minis. The minis are the small kit, 4 pages, and you got the Victorian Embellishment, the Steampunk Madness, Romantic Paints, I Love New York, Baby Kingdom, Gold Baroque, Memories Lane, Opulent Ephemera, that's my favorite, Colourful Pillow Boxes. You got a kit, 4 pages full of pillow boxes, the Golden Bee, and Lavender and Citrus. But I've got a video for you guys next week, and then my VIP membership. So as I said, the minis in there, the sweets is in there, and then the rest of the collection split into 3 categories. Okay, I hope I made it really easy for you guys to navigate and to find the kit. But if you're not sure, if you click on shop, which is the home page, if you type here, so for example, if I type New York, in fact, if I even type N, it comes up. So you can search for any of the kit. Okay, so you saw the website, kind of like get the gist of my new collections, how I have divided them, and I make it easy for you guys to navigate. So this kit is from 4 pages. So you've got 1 page, which are, in fact, let's start in order. So you've got 1 page with a full background, and you've got the Statue of Liberty, and I just put some really nice vintage tape, and it wouldn't be me without some flowers. I wanted something that looks quite vintagey, retro. Then you got 2 pages with the original maps on City of New York, very old, and then I just play with some Statue of Liberty, put some colors on it, so I play a little with colors and stuff. So we're really pleased at how this turned out. Then you've got one page full of ephemera. So you've got a New York postcard, a few pictures from the cities, the Statue of Liberty, of course, and another map for New York. Very, very vintagey and retro. So if you like, again, vintage and retro, that's the kit for you. And then on here, I just put some stamps. So you can just simply fussy cut it and use as ephemera to create classes as an embellishment. You can do anything you want. So you've got full page of postage stamps. So what we're going to do today, we're going to make some postcards. But I show you at the very end of the video what you're going to get for free, because it's a little treat. So I finally managed to organize all my stamps. So everything that I buy, I store them in these DVD cases. I got them on eBay for, I think it's a pack of 50 for £25, something like that. Very, very inexpensive. And then I create this little label. So what you guys do, you simply create a label and I just simply cut it and I put postcards. So because I store them on my DVD case, so when they're one on top of another, I can still see what it is. I can do your video if you want to know how I store my stamps, but it's very quite simple. So on here I put everything to do with postcards. So I've got different stamps. Don't ask me where I got them from, because I have them for absolutely ages. So I've got this one here. It's probably better if I put on the white background. Put that in there. So that's one that says postcard and postcard in 2 different fonts, and the stamps in there. These, it's more like a happy mail. So you've got a letter, an envelope. Instead of SMS, I made this card, and I think it's quite a nice little touch. A little message. Excuse me, a little message for you, sending, express, happy mail, top secret. And I love that one, very retro. And send with love, send with love, and express. And then you've got to and from. So this is nice if you do like little gift tags as well. But what I was quite interesting to see, and I got this on auction on eBay. It was quite expensive, and I never used stamps like this. So I guess I just put this ink in there and I just press it. I don't know. I'll never go. I'm not sure if I have to cut these off, but it don't look like this will come off. I'm hoping I'm doing the right thing. I wish you guys can tell me. Right, I'm simply gonna ink it and hope for the best. It's just weird because it feels like silicone. Right, guys, let's hope. So what I'm gonna do, nothing major, and I'm gonna do this off camera because I don't want to be here forever, because your time is precious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to glue these 4 images on. I found this really nice cardstock. I know that it might look green or olive green on the screen. In reality, it's like a beigey, sandy color. So if you look like that against the orange, it's very sandy. If you put that against the blue, it turns out like green. It's the magical colors. But I can tell you it's more like a sand color. So because the back is white, I'm going to glue these 4 pictures into this. So we got one side with a picture basically, and one side when it's that color, and then on the reverse I'm just going to stamp this. I really like this one here. And I'll have a think. Right, I'm gonna have a little play and I'll be right back. Right, so let me show you what I've done. So those 2 were a massive failure. It's a shame because I really like those 2, but it is what it is. Oh well. Yeah, so simply I probably have to cut the stamp, so I ended up cutting it. So I got black ink on my nails and on my fingers. So when I cutting it, it was ripping off quite easily, so I'm guessing that I had to cut them. So yeah, so I ended up having 2 pieces, but still, even after I cut it, this is what it came out like. So was when it was only in 1 piece, and as you can see the border, so definitely that wasn't right. And then when I stamped it, well, of course this is too small, so you need a proper size postcard in order for the stamps to be better, because it's simply too small. It doesn't matter, I don't really want a traditional postcard, so I've done videos, well, few videos on postcards. So for example, this is one that is the back, which I remember. Do you remember, guys? I made a mistake because I used a stencil, and I stencil on the wrong way around, so that should have been on your right hand side, not on your left hand side. Who cares? We all make mistakes, and we all got creative license, because there is not a crafty police. I said that several times. Let me see if I can find another postcard, because this is my postcard holders. So every time I make postcards, I put it in here. Oh yeah, that's right. So this is a stencil. I will put the links, some links of these videos down below if you guys want to check it out, and also at the end of the videos, so you can go and have a look. Yeah, so that's all the different postcards. Let me just have a quick flip through. You saw this. I made a few videos on how to make them, and I also use the same. This is a VIP kit, I'm sure it was, and this was a VIP kit, I think, if I remember correctly. So they're gonna go in there. So those 2 came out quite cute. Again, it's wrong because I know it's bigger. I have used this one at the end. I quite like the Liberty, like the thing in there, the decoration. So these are mini postcards, and I put the stamps there. I just wanted to look like a postcard. Of course, it's not the right size, but it's just something. I quite like it. I don't know why. And then with my black pen, I just created like a background. So just draw a square, well, a rectangular, and a line there. I quite like it. I know it's not to scale, as I said, but I think they're pretty cute. That's one massive fail, but who cares? Right, so freebie. Where did I put it? Oh, it's here. So today, you're gonna get this freebie here. So you can download this from my homepage on my website, and also it's going out to my newsletter as we speak. So it's a page of tags that will complement, no, what's the word? That it will complement, okay, I guess, or match, or go well with, or you can use with. You get the gist. With this kit. So it's basically this image there, those images, and I put some tags on top. Love these. Love these tags, and I think they look cute there. So yeah, so those tags will match the kit. So these are my little gift for you to be busy on this weekend, so you can fussy cut them and decorate them. So that will be on my website, on the homepage, free. They will be on my Facebook group, put the link down below, and they will be sent out to my newsletter. So you don't have to do anything. You just register to my newsletter, you get a freebie every Friday. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let me just put this in there because I know I'm going to lose it. Guys, I hope you like this video. Big thumbs up if you do, and I'm sure I'll see you next week. Okay guys, I hope you will enjoy Friday freebie. Follow the link so you know how to get them. Guys, thank you ever so much for watching from the bottom of my heart, and until next week, stay safe and well.